What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Got a keep calling it boosted Honda. I mean, it's an Acura, which is made by Honda, but it is. It's a RSX. Got a K-series motor in it, fully built. Guy I've done some work for a few times in Daleville. He built the motor in the car. It belongs to a guy from Tennessee. But anyway, I did a little work on it. Figured I'd give y'all a walkthrough. I didn't shoot any of the welding footage. It's been in the shop way longer than I wanted it to be in the shop, but we're waiting on a wastegate flange most of that time. And anyway, but I'll throw a picture. It's pretty good of the stuff I built next to what was existing on the car. So far as the exhaust, what we did, we piped it through the hood. I'll give y'all a good view of all that mess, and then you know, maybe fire the car up, let you hear it. It's pretty cool. The tag's got my initials on it. So anyway, rolled it out the shop today. I got a valve cover. I'm waiting on some dash 10 bungs to arrive for where the catch can's gonna tie into it, and I'm gonna weld those up for this car. But I mean, I don't need the car here to do that. He's got to do a few other things to it, bring it back in a mount a catch can, a bigger one. But anyway, let me turn this here camera around and show y'all what I've done. All right, y'all, before I get a good shot of it. So we hard piped the intercooler piping. It's got 4 vibrant V-bands. The O-rings are not in them right now. But anyway, we did all that, tied that in. Tried to get a pretty little bead on there. But it's not a bad looking car. They had a big old hole cut in the hood, so this is 301 stainless, so made this for it just to kind of cover it up. I didn't want to do all this, you know, fairly decent quality welding, fabricating, and then leave this big giant gaping hole. The hole, I'll show you from the underside, but the hole is, I mean, it's most of this piece of plate. I mean, there's probably a 1/2 inch here and maybe a inch around it in some spots. But made these. It's just a plug for a 2-inch PVC. Painted it so you could see it, because they don't make 2.5 inch test plugs, because it's not a thing. It's a 3-inch test plug, and just did that to kind of keep the weather out of it. But I feel like it turned out pretty good. So let's get this hood open, see if I can do that. It's kind of aggravating. All right, then we got to make sure we put our hood prop up, you know, JDM style over here. There we go. Got to get that hood up, boys. Pretty tight though. See, there's the hole. Big old hole. And then I moved the pipes forward so they're not touching this anymore. I still would wrap it if it was mine, but you can see it was touching that. It was touching the reservoir for the brake master cylinder. But it's a 2.5 inch stainless and 3-inch stainless. I think that the V-band for the flange for this side came from Motion Raceworks, I'm pretty sure. The other one I actually reused. I didn't want to do that, but I got tired of waiting. So, but you can kind of see the welds down in there, not too bad. And then this is the only aluminum weld I didn't make. This was already on there. I cut this off and reclocked it, so I welded that and welded this, welded that one. But pretty sweet little setup. He's telling me it should make 500-600 horsepower. I did build this little bracket right here, little aluminum bracket to mount the intercooler so it was solid and it does not move. But other than that, not much to it. I'll grab the keys and fire it up. But I mean, it's a pretty sweet little setup. But anyway, figured you guys might want to check it out. Well, fire it up, it's idling. Pretty. There it is. Well, y'all, appreciate you tuning in, checking out the channel, checking out the car. Maybe when they get it done, get it on dyno, get it tuned, maybe we can get some rolling footage of it. It should be pretty nasty. But anyway, appreciate it. Appreciate all the new subscribers. I think we got like 127 today, which is awesome. We didn't go up that much, that's what the total is, but appreciate you guys. Just trying to share a little bit of it with you. All right, y'all have a good one. Bye.